Unlike a glossary and a dictionary which focuses on single terms, a terminology management system is structured differently. termXplorer consists of 3 levels: concept level, language level, and term level. It offers flexible data categories. You can create the system and define the data categories yourself, adding attributes at each level as needed. This is termXplorer. The number of this entry is called concept number. Here in the middle, in the search bar, you can see that for the concept number 11354, there are 2 synonyms in English, for lift and for elevator, one used in British English, the other in American English. And you have 2 synonyms in Spanish too. In Spain is used ascensor, and in America is used elevador. On the right side, you can see the language workflow status. English is marked as approved, while Spanish is new. Different languages can follow different workflow processes. For example, French may still be new, whereas English must be approved before the French terminology process begins. The system is highly adaptable and can be customized to fit your specific workflows and requirements. We follow an Agile terminology management approach. There is no rigid workflow. Instead, we work collaboratively, similar to a Scrum team in rugby, where the entire team works together towards a common goal. Terminology management operates as a self-organizing team, where all subject matter experts contribute while also handling their primary responsibilities. If they don't have time, they don't want to collaborate and they don't want to be pushed. Therefore, terminology management must function more like a pull system rather than a push system, encouraging collaboration rather than forcing participation. In my opinion, this collective approach ensures the best results. In termXplorer within the MyTerm version, you can utilize filters effectively. You can specify your product, agree on terminology, and easily add comments. For subject matter experts, the system must be intuitive and not feel like an obligation. Instead, it should foster intrinsic motivation for knowledge management. We designed the platform to encourage collaboration. Users can apply filters and attributes to refine searches in the filter dashboard. Filtering options include products, departments, and to-do lists for specific user groups, making it easier to manage terminology efficiently. Both termXplorer and MyTerm are scalable and browser-based, available via cloud or on-premise. We have the comfortable filter functions and 3 levels with freely definable data categories. When starting with termXplorer, the platform is initially empty. With our help in the onboarding, the terminology administrators can define their own fields and design the databases. The integrated taxonomy and ontology ensure meaningful relationships between concepts, which can be made visible. A key advantage is the easy import and export functionality, allowing quality management tasks to be handled in Excel. Users can verify whether fields are filled correctly, check definitions, and perform structured terminology management. Additionally, the GUI adapts to the company's languages. If you need only 3 user interface languages, we show only these 3 languages, but you can easily add more. For example, we have added Korean for one customer and Czech for another customer. Since terminology discussions naturally occur in the user's native language, customizing the platform's language support is essential. The platform also supports single sign-on and REST API, enabling seamless integration with other company systems. With SSO, users do not need to repeatedly enter their credentials, ensuring smooth authentication within the organization's infrastructure. Finally, what makes this platform unique is its company-wide license. Unlike traditional license models, paying per user, we think that terminology management must be available across the entire organization, like SharePoint or Confluence as knowledge bases. Without proper terminology, artificial intelligence cannot optimally support your business. Thank you for your attention.